talking to Rabbit Robertson. She is known as Ma'am. Ma'am is the Grand Master of the Morristown Taekwondo Club. Ma'am, when did you first get started with Taekwondo?
I started almost 40 years ago here in Morristown, New Jersey. I had a nephew who was sitting in front of his computer. So to get him to do something else, I took him up to watch a class, and the instructor signed him up. And then he turned to me and he said, "What about you?" And I had never thought about it before. So I couldn't think of anything else to say. So I said yes. This club is about 25 years ago. I'd have to look up the date, but it's about 25 years ago we started this one.
Why did you start it?
I started this school because people that I had taught came to me and wanted a place to train, and so we found this spot and we started our school.
I'm here with Mr. Jason, and he is the head of all the youth programs at Morristown Taekwondo. And Mr. Jason, tell us about yourself.
What do you want me to tell you?
Anything.
Anything? Well, to start with Taekwondo, I love Taekwondo. It's been part of my life for many, many years, almost 30 years now. And it's my passion. I love teaching, love practicing, and it's one of the best things that happened in my life. My master is Ma'am Robin Robertson, and I had other teachers before, and we all have a Grand Master, Wan Du Chong, but my immediate teacher is Robin, Ma'am. Backside kick. It's a very powerful kick. You turn around and you can destroy anything. You can take walls down. You can hurt people, but at the same time, remember we do martial arts not to hurt anybody.